Welcome to HubMesh. Here are the developer tools and AI agents trending on GitHub right now. You can turn heavy PDF textbooks into structured, fully cited notes using Textbook to Note without burning expensive LLM tokens. This local-first pipeline leaves mechanical work local, reserving the frontier model strictly for synthesizing clear notes. Searching across 40 reference books manually takes forever, so it pairs custom note templates with search to keep answers grounded. Standard PDF extraction scrambles two-column layouts, losing vital diagrams and tricking naive LLM prompts. To prevent errors, deterministic gates run strict rule-based QC on figure crops and pages before any AI sees them. By using fast PyMu PDF extraction at first, conversion stays fast while routing only broken pages to heavy OCR processing. HelloRecord lets you hand security teams a link instead of paragraphs when they ask what your agent did. Every action is logged to a hash-chained log, so external parties can verify integrity without trusting vendor assurances. Zero runtime dependencies and standard library code keep payloads inside infrastructure while storing arguments as a redacted summary. Running the demo scaffolds a fictional vendor, where you can execute a tamper test to watch reports detect modified log lines. Wrapping entry points with trace records tool calls into audit.jnl, enabling Halo Report to render self-verifying HTML dashboards. Framework adapters stamp each record with a source tag, so existing OpenTelemetry spans seamlessly join one verifiable chain. Stash speeds up long-running AI instances by giving your team's coding agents a single shared memory. Agent hooks push every prompt and tool call into Stash, exposed through a virtual file system shell and MCP server. Instead of losing session transcripts when agents run on different machines, persistent context prevents duplicate work across runs. Running Stash sign-in configures authentication, connects your active repository, and installs coding agent plugins in one simple step. Teammates can use Claude Code, Cursor, or Codex together, sharing the exact same brain across distinct tools. Check out the CLI reference to master all command options for complete control over your shared memory.
ZeroContext-Recovery achieves prompt optimization with 28% token reduction while keeping quality above 90%.
This AI resilience testing framework evaluates system robustness during memory loss using RAG pipelines for context reconstruction. The table of contents outlines key topics including architecture, installation, performance metrics, and technical highlights. The overview targets context truncation and session interruptions, so AI systems maintain conversation continuity under token limits. Key features like the recovery simulator and prompt rebuilder run semantic search alongside token-level validation. The architecture connects the token validator and reinforcement score to ensure reliable prompt recovery after system failures. Building production AI agents requires precise prompt control, which Context Engineering Memory Labs solves through hands-on modules. It implements essential memory management techniques for intelligent agents and features a live web application. 3 progressive labs guide you from simple text processing to full agent deployment with Gemini 2.5 Flash. The structured layout isolates each lab into dedicated folders, alongside pyproject.toml for managing dependencies. You can extract PDF content using PyPDF2 and perform fast document retrieval with cosine similarity search. Run UV sync to install dependencies quickly and launch any interactive Streamlit lab immediately. That's the mix for today. Subscribe to Hub Mesh for more daily repo trends.